Today's 2-2, and hopefully not all that difficult relative to what we did yesterday. 2.2, we're dealing with adding and subtracting inequalities. Okay? So looking at this, really adding and subtracting inequalities is the same as adding and subtracting, or solving inequalities where we're using addition and subtraction. It's the same as solving equations using addition and subtraction. Yeah, dude. Perfect. Just go with 2 right now. Awesome. It's an amazing pencil sharpener, right? It's the best in the Northeast Wing. That's what I want to say.
It's the best in this room.
Yeah, I'll agree. Okay, so page 35 of your student journal is a good place to take notes if you want. Page 36 also goes through some information. It's good stuff to review for your test. What we're going to do is we're going to work through the monitoring progress in our textbook together. Okay? So, if you'll take your note page, and I want you, with your groupies, to solve those 3 questions. You get about, I don't know, a minute or 2 on them. Give it a go. And in your journal, right? This is out of the textbook.
I accidentally hit graph on this thing.
All right, come on up. Number 3, volunteer.
Yeah, we got
Let's have you guys do one shooting fast.
Hey, I have to write the answer. Did you get -7? 7? Yeah, -7. My pencil is broke. Come on. Hey, fill out all of them.
Good for you. You do the graph. Graph the solution. Is a solid dot. 8, 9, 7, line, lines, arrow, and Dude, I'm actually gonna sit in this.
I got it.
All right, let's check them out. So we have b is greater than -7. Hey, notice just like an equation, you add 2 to both sides because they're subtracting 2. Okay? And here, I'm going to draw my line, which is kind of a little sideways. Okay? So we added 3, I think. Okay? And we've got m is less than or equal to 8. Well done. And they actually graphed it. It's kind of a messy graph. I think we should probably get a little neater with the graphing, but at least you put a graph. So really when you're graphing, you put 0, you put 8, you're good, dot, and shade. Okay? So this one graphing, we should have put 0 and -7. Is it open or closed? Mercedes. You got it? Cool? Okay, number 3. Thanks. Number 3, adding 1/4, adding 1/4. 2/4, 2/4 is the same thing as 1/2. We have 1/2 is less or is greater than y. If we wanted to switch it and write it as y is, notice the point of the arrows pointing at y, so okay, flip that as well. Okay, it's open, not closed. You got it. All right, any questions there? Okay, let's make it a little more complex. Oh yeah, just because you want to. Okay? Or skip those. You guys can do those. Those are no problem. Try number 7. Work together.
How do we get that?
So, for those of you who need some background knowledge, in our textbook it actually talks about this. A circuit overloads at 1800 watts of electricity. You plug a microwave oven that uses 1100 watts of electricity into the circuit. Right? Oh, right here? Oh, I know. Hey, relax. Okay, some of you need, relax. Some of you need to learn tact. You know what that means? It means learn how to be tactful. Like, if someone bumps you, you're like, "What are you bumping me?" You go freak out. Okay, that is not tactful. Like, when I'm reading something here, you yelling is not tactful. Have a seat. Have a seat. Oh, okay. Jason, calm down. Okay? So, if you're like, hey, it's okay to raise your hand and say, you know what, it says 1,000, then I would just explain, well, I'm reading this. Okay? All right. So write and solve an inequality that represents how many watts you can add in addition to the microwave oven. Which of the following appliances can you plug into the circuit at the same time? So here are other appliances. A clock radio, which seems outdated nowadays, a blender, a hot plate, and a toaster. Okay? It's a hot plate. So, the microwave oven uses 1,000 watts of electricity. Does this allow you to have both the microwave and the toaster plugged in at the same time? Toaster is 800. So our background knowledge, toaster is 800 watts. Okay? That's watts up. Okay? So, you guys now have the knowledge 1,800, right?
So it's, yeah.
Hey, how much does our circuit hold?
1,008.
It holds 1,800 watts. Okay, so if that's the case, we know that the microwave, which we're calling M, plus our toaster, which we're calling T, has to be less than or equal to 1,800. Okay, so if that's the case, this is 1,000. This is 800. It is equal to, will it hold it?
Maybe.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. You guys are all smart on this. Is 1,800 less than 1,800? No. However, is it equal to? Yes. So you guys know that. So being able to apply that here is a little more complex. So we may have to just say, you know what? That's not greater than, but it is equal to. So because it allows this or greater than or, excuse me, in this case, less than or equal to, we're good. The answer is yes.
Wait, can I see the question again?
No. You can. Just look at it. Okay, any questions? All right. We are going to start up on our assignment. Here's your assignment. You can look at it in amazement while I'm handing it out. Hey, have your attention back up here. Jason has pointed out to me that our book says the circuit overloads at 1,800. Therefore, if that's the case, how does that change our problem? It must just be less than, no equal to, which means if that's the case, this is actually, it's false. So the answer is no. Well done, Jason. He was so excited about it, he acted like he was on a caffeine high. Hey,
I always
relax.
act like I'm on a caffeine high.
Okay, hey, good job, Jason. Your assignment, you should be working on it. You should be able to finish a good majority of it during class today. The answers are on the board, so you can check them.